Putin says Sputnik V vaccine could be produced in India and China. President Vladimir Putin on Tuesday called for a joint effort by the BRICS countries on the development of the coronavirus vaccines, as he suggested that Russia's Sputnik V vaccine against COVID-19 could be produced in China and India, which are members of the five-nation bloc. The summit, hosted by President Putin, was attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chinese President Xi Jinping, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro and South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. Putin said that Russia's Sputnik V vaccine that was registered in August could be produced in China and India, both members of the BRICS, Sputnik News reported. On August 11, Russia became the world's first country to register a coronavirus vaccine, dubbed Sputnik V. The vaccine was developed by the Gamaleya Research Institute, while the Russian Direct Investment Fund (RDIF) is investing in the production and promotion of the vaccine abroad. Another Russian vaccine, Epicoronavac, produced by Vector Research Center, was registered in October. Sputnik V vaccine has shown 92% efficacy in preventing COVID-19, according to interim trial results announced by the country's health ministry last week. The vaccine has been named Sputnik V. The name is a reference to the surprise 1957 launch of the world's first satellite by the Soviet Union. The 12th BRICS summit was originally scheduled to be held in St. Petersburg in July but had to be postponed due to the outbreak of the global COVID-19 pandemic. So far, the coronavirus has infected more than 54 million people around the world and killed more than 1.3 million people, even as governments implemented strict lockdowns and restrictions to slow the spread of the virus that originated in the Chinese city of Wuhan.